Seek you the Lord while he may be found. Call on him while he is near. Isaiah chapter 55 verses 6. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today on the menu we have one of the favorite and most loved chili sauces from Ghana. This is the green chili sauce. Yes, I've already shared a recipe on here, but this is an updated version. Family, you need to stick around and watch the process because this is going to make you even love your green chili sauce more and more. It's absolutely delicious, so please stay tuned and let's make this together. All the green peppers that I used will be listed down below in the description box. And what is going to be new, absolutely new here, are the celeries. And I use coconut oil this time around. And I have some ginger and yeah, lots of green peppers as well. And for my seasoning, I will use some shrimp powder and one Maggi shrimp tablet. And also I will go ahead and also add few of fresh rosemaries. Very important to wash all your ingredients thoroughly using some vinegar as well. Okay, make sure they are thoroughly washed. Once that is neatly washed, I'll go ahead and now cut them into smaller pieces. You can also decide to remove the seed, but I don't really mind the seeds. Okay, if you don't absolutely want to see the seeds, you don't like texture, then go ahead and remove all the seeds. Okay, I'll just chop everything into smaller pieces, then I'll go ahead and give it a nice blend. You don't have to also blend it smoothly. I really love to blend it partially smooth. Okay, but it depends on how you want it. Okay, add a little bit of water and then blend everything up. Here you can see that the water that I add was absolutely tiny weeny. Okay, you do not have to add lots of water as it would take a longer time for it to dry out from your sauce, and you want it to be also dried out before you put it in your container. So please ensure that you add just a little tiny bit of water. Okay, for me I added just a half cup of it. Okay, so while it is blending, I'll go ahead and melt my coconut oil. Absolutely your choice. You can decide to use any form of oil that you prefer. Okay, so once everything has been heated up, I'll go ahead and then add my blended peppers. Look at that. That green is just so beautiful. I'll add everything and give it a good stir. And all that you have to do here is to slowly boil or cook this down. Okay, you go ahead and make sure your heat is not very high, just so that you do not burn it. Everything has been stirred well together. You go ahead and cover it halfway and allow it to slowly fry down or boil down for about 20 minutes. Okay, so it has cooked down a little bit. You go ahead and season it with some salt and your shrimp cube and the shrimp powder. You just decide to add more or less, just depending on how you want it. Okay, honest truth here is less is definitely more with this sauce. Okay, you don't need to do too much. Overdoing will kill the spirit of this sauce. Try to keep things down. Okay, that is it, as simple as that. You just go ahead and boil it down a little bit over 10 minutes more and you are good to go. All right, voila. We are so done right now. Yes, you can use this as your marinate your chicken, your beef, even your veggies. When you're making stew, just put a little bit in there and it's absolutely super amazing to have it. This sauce is really very versatile. I call it the pepperdem sauce. It's so good to have. And family, try spreading it on your bread and you will love it. That cake with the bread is just so good. It's one of my new addictions that I've been having at home. Spreading it on bread is so good. Please do try, okay? So yes, as you can see, I'm pairing it with some fried rice that I made, some simple vegetable and egg fried rice. It was absolutely so good. It's so good to have this at home, and I really hope you give this a try. Look at those combinations, absolutely delicious. So all that you have to do is to make sure to allow it to completely cool down and put it in your airtight containers. This can be in the fridge for up to 6 months, okay? And I also use some as marinade, which I store it in the freezer and I turn it into cubes. They are so good to have at home. This is a must try and it's so good to have at home. You can use it with your banku, all your swallows to pair this with. It is absolutely delicious. Thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. I really hope you enjoyed the process, and if you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. So please come on board and subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye.